Hello and welcome to Tornado Extreme, your one-stop channel for all things tornado and weather-related. Here, we unravel the mysteries of the skies, diving deep into the heart of tornadoes, exploring weather patterns, and providing essential safety tips. Our aim is to satisfy your curiosity and equip you with knowledge about these powerful natural phenomena. So, if you're ready to embark on this whirlwind adventure, hold on tight because today, we're diving into an exciting topic. When is tornado season? Before we delve into tornado season, let's quickly cover some key facts about tornadoes. Tornadoes are a force of nature to be reckoned with, a fascinating yet terrifying blend of beauty and destruction. They are rapidly rotating columns of air that are in contact with both the surface of the Earth and a cumulonimbus cloud, or in rare cases, the base of a cumulus cloud. The formation of tornadoes is still a topic of scientific debate, but the general consensus is that they form from severe thunderstorms, specifically from a type of storm known as a supercell. These supercells contain what's called a mesocyclone, which is a rotating updraft that can span several miles in diameter and can set the stage for a tornado's birth. Tornadoes can cause extensive damage to structures and landscapes, with wind speeds that can reach over 200 miles per hour. They have the potential to uproot trees, flip cars, and demolish houses, making them a serious natural disaster. Now that we've covered that, let's move on to the main topic. When is tornado season? Many people wonder when tornado season is, and it's a great question. Just like other weather phenomena, tornadoes have a season in which they are most likely to occur. In the United States, tornado season typically kicks off in March and runs through June. But why is this? Well, it's all about the clash of different air masses. As we transition from winter to spring, the warmer, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico begins to push northward. At the same time, cooler, dry air from the Rockies begins to move eastward. When these two contrasting air masses collide, it creates the perfect conditions for severe thunderstorms. And where there are severe thunderstorms, there's the potential for tornadoes. But remember, while this is the typical tornado season, tornadoes can and do occur outside of these months. For instance, the southeastern states, known as Dixie Alley, often experience a secondary peak in tornado activity in the late fall. This is due to the region's proximity to the Gulf of Mexico, which can provide an ample supply of warm, moist air even into the late months of the year. The key takeaway here is that while there is a tornado season, tornadoes can strike at any time of the year if the conditions are right. So always stay prepared and stay safe. So, now we know when tornado season typically happens, but where and what time of day do these tornadoes occur? Tornadoes aren't just limited to a particular season. They can occur anywhere, anytime. Now that doesn't mean we're at the mercy of these whirlwinds without rhyme or reason. In fact, there are specific regions and times that are more prone to tornadoes. In the United States, an area known as Tornado Alley, which includes parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska, is particularly notorious for its high frequency of tornadoes. But why is this so? Well, Tornado Alley sits in a unique geographical position. It's where cold, dry air from the Rockies meets warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico. This clash of air masses often results in severe thunderstorms, creating the perfect breeding ground for tornadoes. But tornadoes aren't exclusive to Tornado Alley. They can and do occur in many other places. For instance, the southeastern United States, in a region sometimes referred to as Dixie Alley, also sees a significant number of tornadoes, particularly in the late fall and winter months. As for when these twisters commonly occur, it's usually in the late afternoon to early evening. This is when the ground has had a chance to heat up, adding energy and instability to the atmosphere. However, remember that tornadoes can strike at any time of day or night. So while tornadoes may seem unpredictable, understanding these patterns can help us anticipate and prepare for them. Now let's delve a bit deeper into Tornado Alley. Tornado Alley is a term you'll hear often when discussing tornadoes. So, what is it exactly? Tornado Alley is a colloquial term used to describe a broad swath of the United States where tornadoes are more frequent. It spans multiple states, stretching from northern Texas through Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and into South Dakota. Why is it called Tornado Alley? Well, this region has a unique mix of geographical features that make it a hotbed for tornado activity. The flat plains of the Midwest allow cold, dry air from Canada to meet warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico. When these contrasting air masses collide, it often results in severe storms, many of which spawn tornadoes. So if you're ever looking at a weather map and see a cluster of tornado warnings in this region, you'll know why. Tornado Alley is certainly a fascinating and powerful testament to nature's force. Knowing about Tornado Alley is crucial. But let's also talk about the states that experience the most tornadoes. Tornadoes are not exclusive to Tornado Alley. They occur in many states across the U.S. While Tornado Alley, which encompasses parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska, is well known for its tornado activity, it's not the only area frequently visited by these powerful storms. Texas, in fact, holds the record for the most tornadoes annually due to its large size and location, which exposes it to various weather patterns conducive to tornado formation. Following Texas, Kansas, and Oklahoma also report a high number of tornadoes each year. These states are situated in the heart of Tornado Alley, where warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico collides with cool, dry air from the Rockies, creating perfect conditions for tornadoes. But let's not forget about Florida. Despite being outside of Tornado Alley, Florida experiences a large number of tornadoes due to its almost daily thunderstorms and its unique peninsula geography. Tornadoes are a fascinating yet destructive force of nature, and it's important to stay informed. That wraps up our discussion on when tornado season is. We've explored the quick facts about tornadoes, discussed their seasonality, and dived into the specifics of Tornado Alley. The key takeaway? Understanding these weather phenomena can help us stay safe. So, continue educating yourself and others about tornadoes. Thank you for tuning in to Tornado Extreme. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and visit our website, tornadoextreme.com, for more weather-related content.